G'day viewers, it's Phil Lee from Edward Lee's. Very excited because we've had another D5 arrive. This thing's bloody beautiful. In some ways this is the best one that we've ever imported. It's certainly got a couple of unique features, the main one being the triple sunroofs and the triple roof racks, and the fact that it's a pearl white premium edition. And this thing is absolutely pristine. The paint glimmers and shines. You can see the sparkles in the pearl white. The interior's still got that new car smell, and it's just loaded with goodies and options and features, this car. If you have a look at this car at the front and back, it's got this little protective stainless steel strip, which is a nice feature. Smart looking sports exhaust, not too loud. Being a premium model, I'll go through all the features. There's just stacks and stacks of good gear on this car. This is an 07-08 model. It was built 07, sold new in Japan in 08 as an 08. For our purposes, we'll call it an 07. It's got parking cameras all around. That's your reverse camera here. And if you have a look on the roof, hard to see because this car's a little bit taller than me. 1, 2, 3 sunroofs, which is absolutely beautiful feature. If you're right up the back, you can have just as much access to the roofs. This one pops open. That's the button there to make this middle one slide back, and the back one pops open for fresh air as well. Another nice feature, these windows actually go up and down in the back, which you couldn't always do in the old people movers. So you can see your fast glass there in the back as well as in the front. Weather shields, so you can have your windows cracked open on a wet day. Electric doors on both sides. If we press this button here, the other side opens up as well. So this is very easy to access. You can see there the upholstery is absolutely like new. It's definitely a non-smoker's car. Those carpets there are actually factory fitted floor mats. And if you see there, that's the actual carpet. And that's floor mat. It's hard to tell which is which. These are a bit of a shag pile look here, I guess. But they will come up, and underneath the carpets are like new. It's a genuine 8-seater. So you can sit 2 in the front, 2 in this middle row. 3 in the middle row and 3 in the back row as well. Very clever design. All these bits here can pop up as well if you want to slide that seat right forward. Hard to do all this one-handed. Here we go. Back to where we started. Just go around to the front here. Beautiful gleaming headlights. Sometimes plastic headlights get a little bit dulled by the sun. These ones are still like new. I'd say this car's been garaged all its life from the condition. Little driving lights. That's that stainless little nudge bar at the front with a bash plate underneath. Now most viewers will realise that the Delica D5 is a proper 4-wheel drive. So it's got a locking centre diff. That's your front parking camera. And in this section here is your side parking camera. Have a look at that. It's another optional extra. It's the little pop-out step. So a little bit easy to hop in and out of that car. And that slides away once your door closes. Away she goes. Love that. It's got factory tints, not too dark, easy to look out at night time. It's got the 2.4 litre Myvec 4-cylinder petrol motor, which is, in my opinion, a very, very good motor. It's the same engine as what you get in a Mitsubishi Outlander, and it really does a good job on this car. Tiptronic gearbox, up and down through the gears. You've got 6 speeds to choose from. And if you want to put your foot down on these things, typical of the variable valve timing engines, at high revs these things really take off. Once you give it a little bit of a wind up, the variable valve timing takes off. This one's travelled 28,000 Ks, and you can see there's no wear and tear on the steering wheel, which is leather. It's pristine. It does come with climate control, telephone hands-free option, stereo controls on the steering wheel, and that's for your Tiptronic minus and plus up and down through your gears here. Let's have a look. We press this camera here. You can see your side camera, front camera. When we go into reverse, it changes to your reverse and side camera. So very easy to park. Extra storage here. This is your four-wheel drive knob. You've got a constant four-wheel drive option, and if you flick it one more time, that locks your center diff, so it's a proper four-wheel drive, and it lights up on your dash as well. When you're in lock mode, there it is on your dash. And with that type of four-wheel driving, it's not a low range like you get in a Land Cruiser, but with a locked diff, you can go just about anywhere in terms of slippery roads, snow, ice, mud, sand, boat ramps. And look, there's a very, very good ground clearance on these cars. They've actually improved the level of ground clearance from the old model. Very nice short entry and exit points, no long overhangs, so they're a brilliant off-road machine. I'm going to end this video now because it's going a little bit long. If you're interested in this vehicle, please give us a call at Edward Lees. Our number is 02 9744 0539. Our website is edwardlees.com.au. My name's Phil Lee. That's my ugly mug there. Thanks for watching this video. See you later.